This 2012 BMW 7 Series is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. 4.4 LDOHC twin-power turbo V8 engine, 8-speed sport automatic transmission, xDrive all-wheel drive system, premium sound package, comfort, access, keyless and tri-keyless start, park distance control, navigation system, backup camera, heated front seat, cooled front seats, power rear sunshade, power rear side sunshader, air climate control, xenon headlights, fog lamps, power trunk opener, power sliding sunroof, cruise control, power adjustable steering wheel, power automatic windows, power door locks, wood trim, interior black, exterior black, leather interior, BMW floor mats, owner's manual. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detailed walk-around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2012 BMW 750i xDrive is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our visit us at autogallerychicago.com.